Hey y'all, it's Debbie, Girl with Pearls. Today I am repurposing some star boxes for the 4th of July. Join me, won't you?
Okay, so another repurposing. I have these old star boxes that I bought at the Christmas tree probably 20 years ago, 10 years ago, I don't even know how long. But they don't really go with my decor anymore. And they've been in tubs. I have so many old pieces from my old house that have been in tubs. And I'm just going to paint them red, white, and blue. And add them to my 4th of July decor. So let me get started on this project.
Because I don't have navy blue paint, I'm going to use cobalt blue with a dot of black and mix it well till I get the desired color I'm looking for. Now I'm painting it over the box. And these are all probably going to take 2 coats. Now I'm going to use a crimson red and a cherry red to get a more muted folk art color red for myself that goes with my decor. So I'm going to mix the two of those together and add in again a dot of the black. You know, you got to play with it until you get the color that you're looking for. I'm just going to put my dot of black on the side of the bowl. And I usually use like a popsicle stick or tongue depressors you can get at the dollar store. Rather than using the brush, I see a lot of people use the brush, but what that does is it loads the color that you're mixing up into the bristles, and then you don't know what you're getting. So mix it first. So I'm just adding a little bit of that black at a time until I get the intensity that I'm looking for. And I'll keep dragging a little more black in until I get the right color. And you can see how it's deepening. Putting a little more black in because I want it a little bit darker. Okay, I'm going to use a foam brush, and this definitely is going to take 2 coats. I'm using the foam brush because the regular brush didn't work as well. Now the top lid. This has a lot of colors on it and lightness and darkness. This might take 3 coats, but you kind of let a coat dry and in between make your decision how many more coats you need. I am going to shabby them, so go over it with a deeper color, so I may not need to. I'll just have to go see as I go. Now this is going to be the white box, and I'm covering it completely with black because there was so many different colors underneath. And this way, if I color it all black, then I can add the white. So this is what the red looks like now. I shabbied it. I used a walnut brown paint and thinned it with water and went over the red, blue, and white boxes. You can see the distressing more on the white box. But I actually love how the colors came out because I wanted them more muted. I wanted them distressed looking. And now what I'm going to do is add some string. Just go around it a couple of times. Now you could add ribbon, whatever your heart's desire. But I didn't have any festive holiday 4th of July ribbons, so I decided I would just use string. It kind of goes with my country theme. And I wrapped it around a good many times because I want it to be visible. And I'm just going to tie a simple little bow. And there you have it. So those things that were sitting in a tub for years have now become repurposed into a part of my 4th of July decor. So I hope you enjoyed it. Come back and join me. And if you subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell, every time I upload a video, you'll get a notification.